So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can get the location coordinates of yourself where you have been sitting without the internet. So for example, if you have been stuck anywhere where you don't have any network access or anything, you can easily get the coordinates on your iPhone or any device that you have. Now in order to do it, simply search for the compass application on your iPhone. It's probably in the utilities section, or you can easily search it right there as well. Simply search for compass, and once you open it, here you'll see some numbers right there on the below of the screen. That is your exact location where you have been sitting. You just need to hit on this one and hit copy, and that particular location have been copied to your clipboard. Or if you don't have any iPhone, you can download any third-party application of coordinates from the Play Store of any phone that you have. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.